Jeffrey Wang here for my very first Penguin Live. This lecture is loaded with cutting-edge coin magic. Many of these effects are appearing on video for the very first time. I am teaching my original manages, coin appearances, my very special approach to sleeving, and so much more. I start the lecture with a lesson on sleeving. Pretend to grab a coin in the air and a coin appears in a flash. It is an incredible method I'm sure you have never used before.
GT vanish and GC vanish is a coin vanish. With just a shake or clap of the hand, vanish the coin into the air, in the wall, through a glass, and so on.
Portal is next. It really looks like you are using a real portal to transport a coin from one place to the other. Backhand GT-GC vanish. Place a coin on the back of your hand. Turn your hand over and back, and the coin disappears. Circle vanish is next. You put a coin into your hand clearly in just a wave. The coin disappears. With both hands empty. Circle vanish pro. You put the coin into the hand clearly. Just a point. The coin disappears. With both hands empty. How to do a perfect classical retention. If you want to be a good coin magician, you have to learn a good retention. Along with that, I will teach some advanced retention vanishes using only 2 fingers. I teach the wonderful and underused arming technique. Place a coin in the hand and give it a blow, it disappears. Using arming, I also teach how to make a coin appear in the air.
We're not learning that. That's impossible.
After I teach you this, you can do it today.
Okay, all right.
You believe in yourself?
And there, I did it. And that is mind-blowing. It's
wild.
Wild. I mean, unless you had walked me through this, I would have called you crazy.
Next, coin appearance from the air. Shake hand. Shake hands with your audience, and inside your hands, you produce a coin.
This is like a lot of the other stuff we do where I'm like, this. When I watch you do it, there's no way this works. But when you actually feel it happen, it's crazy because it really did feel like a coin was appearing in my hand.
Yes.
And it was very strange.
And finally, I teach a really cool bare-handed production called coin pop-up pair. You can use this to produce both coins and cards. Looks impossible. Every method is interesting and every effect is performable.
I love this stuff. This has been a really great lecture. Thank you so much for sharing all of this stuff with us. You'll find that it is not as difficult as it seems. I mean, you've certainly proven that to me today.
I'm Jeffrey Wang, and this is my Penguin Live lecture.